Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? It's an age-old question, a thought that has likely crossed your mind at least once. When we gaze upon the limitless expanse of the cosmos, it's hard not to ponder if somewhere out there, in some distant galaxy, life as we know it, or even as we can't fathom, might exist. Could we be a part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood? Hold on to that thought as we journey into one of the most compelling discoveries of our time. It all began with an unusual signal detected by a small observatory in rural Europe. Tucked away in the bucolic countryside, this modest observatory, usually humming along to the rhythm of predictable cosmic frequencies, was suddenly jolted out of its routine by something distinct, something unexpected, an anomaly in the ether of space, a signal that was unlike any other they had encountered before. It was an eerie radio whisper that seemed to pulsate with an almost rhythmic pattern, a cosmic Morse code that defied all known natural phenomena. The signal was strong, clear, and most notably, it was repeating. This was no random burst of cosmic static, no, this was something deliberate. The peculiarities of this signal were numerous. It wasn't just the repetition that was strange, it was the complexity, the structure. It seemed to carry information, a message perhaps, but from who? Or what? And where was it coming from? These were the questions that began to buzz around the scientific community. Word of this unusual signal spread quickly. Astronomers, physicists, cryptographers, all were drawn to this enigma from the stars. The signal was like a cosmic siren call, beckoning the curious minds of Earth to unlock its secrets. And as the scientists studied, they began to find patterns, sequences that suggested intelligence. This was no mere cosmic noise, this was something else, something designed, something sent. The world watched, waited, as the small observatory in rural Europe became the epicenter of a global effort to understand this cosmic conundrum. The signal was analyzed, dissected, debated. Theories were proposed and refuted. Yet, the signal persisted, a constant reminder of the mystery that lay beyond our planet. But despite the intrigue, despite the mystery, one thing was clear. This was not a signal that could be easily dismissed. It demanded attention, it demanded answers, and it promised to change our understanding of the universe forever. As the world's top scientists began to investigate, they discovered something extraordinary. Their first step was to examine the source of the signal. Was it from a satellite, a rogue transmission from a distant radio station, or perhaps, as they dared to hope, something out of this world? Using the most advanced technology available, they set to work, scrutinizing every aspect of the signal. The data was complex and puzzling, a web of frequencies and patterns that defied traditional explanation. This was not a task for one person or even one country. This was a global endeavor. Scientists from all over the world began to collaborate, sharing their expertise and insights. From the cold research stations of Antarctica to the bustling labs of Tokyo, a network of brilliant minds was formed. They communicated through video calls, emails, and encrypted data transfers, working tirelessly to decode the mysterious signal. Next, they turned to the stars. Using powerful telescopes, they scanned the heavens, searching for the signal's origin. They traced its path across the cosmos, plotting its trajectory with painstaking precision. The signal seemed to originate from a region of space previously thought to be empty, a void. But could something be hiding in the darkness? The scientists then employed cutting-edge technology to peer into this cosmic void. They used infrared sensors, gamma-ray telescopes, and even gravitational wave detectors. Each tool gave them a different view of the universe, a new perspective on the unknown. As the investigation progressed, the pieces of the puzzle began to fall into place. The signal was not just random noise, it was structured, organized, it had a rhythm, a pattern. It was like nothing they had ever seen before. It was a message. And there, amid the vastness of the universe, they found it. Hidden in the data, buried in the noise, was a sequence of numbers, a code, a language. This was more than just a signal. This was communication. This was intelligent. And then they found it. Undeniable evidence of alien life. The discovery sent shockwaves around the globe. It was as if the Earth itself trembled in the face of this unprecedented revelation. Life, as we knew it, had been irrevocably altered. The existence of extraterrestrial life, once a topic of speculation confined to science fiction and the fevered imaginings of conspiracy theorists, had become an undeniable reality. The reaction was a blend of awe, disbelief, and a sense of profound humility. The realization that we were not alone in the universe, that there were other life forms out there, in Europe of all places, was humbling. It was a moment of collective introspection, a stark reminder of our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. The implications of this discovery were staggering. The presence of alien life shattered our understanding of the universe and its potential for life. It challenged the very foundations of our scientific knowledge, prompting us to reconsider our theories and assumptions. It seemed as if we were standing on the threshold of a new era of understanding, gazing into an abyss of infinite possibilities. The potential for future exploration and communication was electrifying. The thought of communicating with an extraterrestrial species, of learning from them, of sharing knowledge and experiences was tantalizing. It was the ultimate dream of every explorer, every scientist, every dreamer. It was a prospect that held the promise of unprecedented scientific advancements and profound philosophical insights. The discovery also raised a plethora of questions. What did these aliens look like? How did they communicate? What was their culture like? How did they view us? These questions, and countless others, were now at the forefront of our collective consciousness, and as we grappled with these questions, we found ourselves on a quest for knowledge that was as exhilarating as it was daunting. The discovery of extraterrestrial life had changed everything. It had ushered in an era of curiosity and exploration unlike anything we had ever experienced. It had taken us a step closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe, and most importantly, it had reminded us in the most dramatic way possible of the boundless wonders that awaited us in the cosmos. So, what does this discovery mean for the future of space exploration? Well, for starters, it's a game changer. Imagine, we've been looking up at the stars for centuries, wondering if we're alone in the universe. And now, we've found signs of extraterrestrial life right here in Europe. This discovery opens up a world of possibilities. It means that our search for life in the cosmos is not in vain. It means that we are not alone. It means that there are civilizations out there, waiting to be discovered, waiting to share their stories, their knowledge, their technology. It also means that we need to ramp up our space exploration efforts. We need to send more missions into space, to other planets, to other galaxies. We need to invest in our space programs, our technologies, our research. We need to come together as a global community to push the boundaries of what we know and where we can go. But most importantly, it means that we are on the brink of a new era in human history. An era marked by scientific advancements and the potential for contact with extraterrestrial life. An era where the question is no longer, are we alone? But who are our neighbors in this vast cosmic neighborhood? The universe has suddenly become much more interesting. This discovery has not only changed our understanding of the universe but also our place in it. When you gaze at the stars on a clear night, what do you see? A beautiful, tranquil void, a cosmic canvas dotted with distant suns? Or do you see a bustling, teeming cosmos filled with life just waiting to be discovered? The recent revelation of alien life, right here in our own backyard, forces us to reconsider these questions. It challenges the very core of our understanding, our beliefs, our philosophies. We are no longer the center of the universe, nor are we the only intelligent life forms. We are but a tiny speck in a grand cosmic tapestry, teeming with possibilities we've yet to fathom. This isn't just a matter of scientific discovery, it's a philosophical awakening. For centuries, we've looked at the universe as a mystery to be solved, a puzzle to be pieced together. But with the discovery of extraterrestrial life, the puzzle has become far more complex. It's not just about understanding the universe anymore. It's about understanding our place within it. We've been reminded that life is not a rarity, but a possibility. That intelligence is not unique to us but a universal phenomenon, that we are not the only ones gazing at the stars, wondering if we're alone. We're not, we never were. The implications are profound. Our religions, our cultures, our societies. Everything might need to be reconsidered in the light of this new reality. We are not the lonely inhabitants of a solitary planet. We are part of a vast, interconnected cosmic community, and that changes everything. So when you look at the stars tonight, remember this. We are not alone. We are part of something much larger, something much grander. We are part of the universe, and the universe is part of us. We are no longer alone in the universe.